If you're looking how to successfully sell on Offerup and Craigslist, then this video is for you. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the platform and achieve success in your selling efforts. Create compelling listings. So the first step to successful selling on Offerup is creating compelling listings that catch the eye of potential buyers. So use high quality photos that showcase your items from multiple angles, write detailed descriptions, highlighting key features, and accurately specify the condition of the item. Remember, transparency builds trust and can lead to faster sales. Price strategically. Pricing your items competitively is crucial for attracting buyers on OfferUp. So research similar listings to gauge the market value of your item and price it accordingly. Consider factors such as condition, brand, and demand when setting your prices. Offering discounts or bundled deals can also incentivize buyers to make a purchase. Utilize keywords. So incorporate relevant keywords in your listings titles and descriptions to improve search visibility. Think like a buyer and include terms that they might use when searching for your item. Using specific keywords can help your listings rank higher in search results, increasing your chances of getting noticed by potential buyers. Promote your listings. Take advantage of OfferUp's promotional features, which are used to increase the visibility of your listings. Consider using the promote feature to boost your listings to a wider audience for a fee though. So additionally, share your listings on social media platforms, community forums, and other online channels to reach more potential buyers. Respond promptly. Timely responses to inquiries and messages can make a significant difference in your selling success on OfferUp. Be proactive in answering questions, providing additional information when needed, and arrange meetups with potential buyers. Prompt communication not only helps you secure sales faster, but also builds trust with buyers. Offer convenient shipping and pickup options. So with selling, what you want to do is you want to provide flexible shipping and pickup options, which can make your listings more appealing to buyers. Consider offering free shipping or local pickup to attract more customers. Clearly communicate your shipping and pickup policies to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. Provide excellent customer service. So going above and beyond to provide excellent customer service can set you apart from other sellers on OfferUp. Be responsive, courteous, and accommodating throughout the buying process. So what you want to do is that you want to address any concerns or issues promptly and strive to ensure a positive experience for your customers. So maintain a positive reputation. Your reputation is everything on OfferUp. Your reputation as a seller plays a significant role in your success. You want to encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and ratings on your profile. Conversely, address any negative feedback or disputes professionally and try to resolve them amicably. So a positive reputation can attract more buyers and foster repeat business. Stay organized and efficient. Managing multiple listings and inquiries can be overwhelming, so staying organized is key. So keep track of your listings, inquiries, and sales in a spreadsheet perhaps, or using OfferUp's built-in tools. Set aside dedicated time each day to respond to messages, update listings, and fulfill orders promptly. Continuous improvement. So finally, don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your selling strategies based on feedback and market trends. Stay informed about changes to OfferUp's policies and features, and be willing to adjust your approach accordingly. Continuous improvement is essential for long-term success on OfferUp.